drawings. We're going to discuss drawings and how to take a measurement from that drawing and work out what quantity you need, what time scale it's going to take to build that out. This is how we're going to do it. We use scale ruler. On this ruler it's just marked 1 to 50, 1 to 75, 1 to 100 and so on. There's different measurements on this ruler. Every drawing is to scale every measurement on this here. So scale 1 to 50, it has a number 1, 2, 3 and so on. So every measurement on there to the paper is 1 meter. We've also got smaller measurements within that, which are your 100 mils, 50 mils and so on. To find out which part of the ruler to use, we'll use the bottom right hand corner of the drawing. On any drawing you'll have details in the bottom. In this section it's just going to have the address, who the drawings are made by, the date that they were done, and most importantly the scale of the drawing. In this case we've got a scale of 1 to 50, so we'll get up our ruler 1 to 50 scale. On the drawing we'll have 2 sections here. This is double extension, so we've got a ground floor plan and a first floor plan. We also need to look at our proposed elevation drawings, which are the image of what the building is going to look like. This year we know that there is a garage downstairs and we're going to be building up off that garage, so there's no brickwork down below. There is a peak in that garage which we're just going to take out and start again afresh on top of that. So there's no real information on the ground floor plan. You know, we'll have a little bit brickwork to tooth into the existing, a little bit underneath the windowsill and a solder course, and that's it for the ground floor plan. First floor plan, however, we're going to need this ruler. We only have measurements on the front and back here. We've got a 900 return off the cable, which comes with a 1200 window, and then a 650 nib, which comes up against the existing house. If we put this on here, I'll pull up another video within this video, zoomed in, and that shows we've got 900 there. So that confirms this is a 1 to 50 scale. So we need to find this measurement along there. So if we'll just set our 0 mark on this scale ruler to the corner of that building. We'll follow it down. So with 7 meters on here, we'll look for 100, 200, 300 and 50. We now know our length all the way around and what our opening sizes are. We can also scale from up here the height. We know if we come to above the existing door, set our scale ruler on 0, and we will take our measurement right up to the top of the window, which is where the brickwork is going to finish. And we know by scaling on this ruler 2 meters 600 from the top of the ground floor door to the top of the first floor window. Now we'll note that down, 2.6 in height. We've got our lengths around the building, so we'll work out the area, and how we'll work out that area is length times height equals the square meterage. Now it didn't stop there, because you've got a window in here. We already know that this is 1200, so we've got 1200 window, and we want to find out the height of that, which is 1050. So we've got a 1200 by 1050 window on the first floor, so we need to work out that area within that window and take that away from our total area. And now set this on a time lapse above this, and we'll show you how we work it out.